Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hey guys, it's Dante, welcome back. This week we're going to go over my top 3 easiest dryers to use of 2020. I'm going to start off with my number 3, which is my least easiest to use. I'm going to go right to these Whirlpools. What makes this a little bit harder to use is that your user interface is right here on this door, so that just means there's a lot more touching, a lot more rerouting to go, as compared to here where everything's kind of right out there in your face for you. With that being said, these dryers are really good. They're wonderful. They work perfectly. They're just a little bit more difficult. There's just more of a learning curve, I should say. And then we're good to my number 2, which is going to be these over here. So these Speed Queen dryers are fantastic. They look a little bit more simplistic. You have your fabric selector, your different cycles, turn the knob, start it, and go. They're really easy to work on, they're really easy to use, and there's not that big of a learning curve compared to some of the other models out there, or other manufacturers. And then we're going to go to my top, easiest one to use, it's going to be right over here. What I really like about these are, like I said, select your cycle. If you want to do less dry, boom, start it, you're done, you can walk away, and that's it. There's nothing really you got to touch, do, or try to mess around with. It's pretty simple. You've been doing it pretty much your whole life, so that's why this is my top favorite dryer to use, and the easiest one, I think, in my opinion. That's all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, come back next week. Thank you.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.